Hey foodies! Today, we're digging into the top 5 air fryers that'll level up your cooking game. These kitchen champs deliver crispy goodness without the guilt. Stick around as we dive into what makes these fryers stand out. To buy any of this air fryer, the link is in the description. 1. Cosori Pro 2. Cosori 5.5L air fryer stands out with its substantial capacity and comprehensive features. With a spacious 5.5-liter basket, this air fryer caters to larger meals, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. It comes equipped with an impressive array of 13 functions accessible via its user-friendly touchscreen LED display. The inclusion of 100 recipes ensures a varied culinary experience, guiding users through a multitude of dishes. Its rapid air technology guarantees quick and even cooking, while the nonstick basket simplifies cleanup. This model's ability to deliver healthy, crispy meals without excessive oil makes it a favorite among health-conscious home cooks. 2. Cosori 5500 Pro. Cosori's 5.5L air fryer strikes a balance between sleek design and powerful functionality. Its sturdy stainless steel finish exudes durability and style while housing a 1700W motor that ensures efficient cooking. The digital touch interface grants easy access to 8 cooking modes, offering versatility for various dishes. What sets this model apart are the included accessories that elevate its usability, making cooking a seamless experience. From grilling racks to skewers, these additions expand the cooking possibilities. This air fryer's capacity, combined with its intuitive controls and accessories, makes it a reliable kitchen companion for healthier, diet-friendly meals. 3. Russell Hobbs Satisfry XXL. Russell Hobbs presents an XXL-sized air fryer that combines a capacious 8-liter basket with a compact design. Its sleek exterior houses a user-friendly LED touchscreen, offering up to 10 cooking programs that cater to a variety of culinary needs. Beyond its impressive cooking capacity, this model boasts energy efficiency, claiming to reduce energy consumption by up to 47%. Its ability to prepare sizable portions while minimizing energy usage makes it an eco-conscious choice. The Russell Hobbs Satisfry 27170-56 is a testament to efficient, large-batch cooking without compromising on taste or healthiness. 4. Moulinex Easy Fry and Grill. Moulinex's Easy Fry and Grill merges air frying and grilling capabilities in a single appliance, appealing to cooking enthusiasts seeking versatility. This 4.2L air fryer features a digital touchscreen interface that offers 8 programs designed to create healthy meals effortlessly. The accompanying app featuring 125 recipes broadens cooking horizons, guiding users through a diverse range of dishes. Its capacity to cook for up to 6 people makes it suitable for families or gatherings. The combination of air frying and grilling options, along with an extensive recipe library, positions this model as an all-in-one culinary solution. 5. Cosori Pro Low. Cosori's 4.7L air fryer offers a sleek, modern design with a focus on functionality and ease of use. Its moderate 4.7-liter capacity serves smaller households perfectly. With a temperature range spanning from 75 to 230 degrees Celsius and 9 pre-programmed settings, this air fryer accommodates various cooking needs. The touchscreen LED display ensures hassle-free operation, while its quiet performance adds to the user experience. The inclusion of 30-plus recipes enhances its user-friendliness, making it an attractive option for those seeking a compact yet efficient air frying solution. Thanks for exploring the top 5 air fryers with us. From spacious capacities to compact designs, these appliances offer diverse cooking possibilities. Whether it's healthier meals or convenience you seek, these air fryers have you covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen insights and cooking tips. Happy cooking!